Today we're going to be making a quick little video on how to wheelie. So I'll just give y'all a little rundown about like what skill level I'm at, like where I'm at. Let's head to the spot first, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, today we actually came a little bit prepared. We got the Media Mod, so hopefully the audio is a little bit better than last video. But yeah, let's get to it. We gotta go to this little private lot, and yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to do a motherfucking wheelie today. Let's get it. Alright. So there is somebody over there, but fuck it. The skill level I put myself at, I'd say mediocre. You know, they're not terrible, but they're also not the best. Still learning to get to balance point, stuff like that. And I still think I could help somebody, you know, like from my skill level. But first off, the first tip I would give is wear some jeans, for real. Like, at the least, wear some jeans. Obviously, you should probably wear some proper gear, but just wear some jeans, man. I have had this fall on my leg before, and let me tell you, it didn't feel good. This shit was jammed up in there. It did not feel good. That's the shit I'm dealing with now. I got squishy ass skin, but yeah. Wear some jeans and wear some good shoes. These are composite toes. I got these from my old job, and they're high top. So if it lands on my leg, at least my ankle's gonna be all right. But yeah, all right, so how to do the wheelie. Let's just assume you already know how to ride a bike. Oh yeah, be careful of this shit, bro. This will get you fucked up. But you pull in the clutch, give that bitch some gas, rev it up, and then drop it, and this bitch is gonna fly up. And the most important thing you need to know is that guy right there. This is gonna save your life. So always have at least like a little bit of pressure on it. And let me just give you like an example. So I don't do any of my wheelies in first gear. I pop them all in second. Boom. Just coast around a little bit and get used to that rear brake. So in first gear, don't even mess with the clutch. Just hold on to this tight, get the gas ready, and I want you to push down on your front brake or front forks and then pull back. Give it a little bit of gas, hit that rear brake. Boom, right back down. Right back down. And I promise you, just keep doing a bunch of reps, and then come into second when you're ready. And now I usually go about like as slow as I can, for real. So like 15 miles an hour, 12 miles an hour. And that's when I do my clutch up wheelies. But let me show you another example in a clutch up wheelie. So remember, pull in your clutch, give it a little bit of gas, drop your clutch, and have that rear brake in mind. Right back down, man. Hit that rear brake. Let me show you a little bit more examples with the camera mounted somewhere else. That's how it's done, yo. Let me know in the comments any tips or pointer for me, because, you know, I'm still pretty shitty, I'm not gonna lie. But I definitely can help some of the more novice and more beginner, I feel like. But yeah, let me know, critique me, let me know what I could have done better, you know? And yeah, see y'all next time. Peace. Alright, y'all, let's get a different POV in this bitch. Yeah, man, I wouldn't even worry about shifting gears either right now if you're still learning. I tried it once and it just knocked me back and it scared the shit out of me, so I just don't do that. I'm also on a 300cc bike. This is the Honda CRF 300L ABS version. Another thing I forgot to mention, if you're on this bike too, you're going to want to turn off ABS, or if you're on a bike that has ABS, you want to turn that off, or else your wheelies are going to slam you down. Also advise getting some crash protection. I mean, I got some crash bars. Tomorrow I got some sliders on the way, because as you can see, my handlebars are pretty fucked up. But yeah, let's get some POV from this angle. See my hands, hopefully. Remember, always have in mind your rear brake, which you are eating shit. Just be careful, man. And I'd advise to wear some gear, but I'm dumb as fuck, so I ain't gonna wear gear. And eventually you can hit some one-leggers. No wheelies! No wheelies! We live the high life.